Joe Paterno said, believe deep down in your heart that you're destined to do great things. You're destined to do great things. I don't care what you experience. I don't care how you may not feel that you might not be the smartest, the most gifted, but each and every one of you were designed to accomplish, to achieve, to create great things. It's going to take a while for some of you to understand that, because Les Brown says that our imagination is shaped off of what we see. Everybody say see. And most of us have not seen a whole lot of positivity. You've seen some hurtful and some damaging things, and therefore you think that it's not it. Les also says that our imagination is shaped off of what we hear. Say hear. And some people, some parents, some people in your household, some people in the school have been telling you some negative and damaging things, and it's starting to take root, or started to take root in your heart. So you're believing that you're not smart. You're believing like that you're just like your father. You're believing that, you know what, I'm gonna be just like my brother. You started to allow it to take root in yourself. But the most damaging thing is, it doesn't really matter what other people are saying, but when you start to say stuff to yourself, you're inducing yourself with poison. When you start to tell yourself that you can't, when you start telling yourself that you don't believe it, when you start telling yourself that, you know what, I might as well do this, and you compromise your value system, you start making mistakes. You start getting tripped up. Listen to me, fellas. There is nothing worse than living a life of coulda, woulda, shoulda. There's nothing worse about looking back in your life and going back and thinking about it, or being that dude in the barbershop and saying, I used to do this, I used to play for university, bye, 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 and you ain't got no teeth in your mouth. There's nothing worse than you being on the block and you sit up there thinking that you was that athlete or you were that smart kid in school, and now you look back and you on the corner, because we all got uncles in our family, or family. How many of you got a family member that's messed up? Let's just keep it on it. Look straight, everybody raise their hand. We all got family members like that. And some of us have experienced, let's say, see, hear, and experience. Some of us have experienced some painful, some hurtful things, and we started to think that this is all that life has to give. This is all that my life is worth. Or maybe you haven't experienced a trauma or sensitivity in that level, but maybe perhaps you got a family member, a brother, a sister, your mother, your dad. You saw them go through a pain, through a situation and circumstance, and now you say, man, I'll never do that. I'm not putting myself there, but you operating in fear. You operating in fear, which is false evidence appearing real. So I want to give you guys some keys, some principles of how y'all can win. I want to give y'all some keys and principles of how you can win in life. A cheat code is something that you get, that you use to put into the game to give yourself an advantage so you can win. It gives you an unfair advantage. I'm gonna give you a cheat code right now as men that will give you not an unfair advantage, because this is something that all young men need to know, but it's something that most young men don't know. So therefore, it's a cheat code. Listen, anybody ever heard of the saying that knowledge is power? Raise your hand if you heard that knowledge is power. Listen, that's so true. But knowledge is nothing without application. Knowledge is power, but knowledge mixed with the application of that knowledge is transformation.